So this is the second part of my What's New in PC-DMIS 2020 R1 series, and what I'll talk about in this video is enhancements to the home page. You can see here in the Discover tab they've added a whole library of example routines. So this was in response to a request in the Idea Center. The way it works is you would download the one you want. I'll just do the first one. Click this button here. And it downloads it into a predetermined file location. There we go. So it's in a zip file, so when we unzip it, I'll show you what's inside. So you can see in this particular program we have a probe file, the program, the CAD, and also a PDF explaining what's inside of this routine. So when we open the PDF, you can see we have details on the file supplied, the setup, and a description of the program. So let's go into the program and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are in PC-DMIS. I have the example program loaded. You can see it comes with a CAD model. And if I expand my edit window, you can see there's quite a lengthy description on what they're trying to achieve in this program, in this example, and step-by-step instructions and so forth. So if you're new to 2020 R1, I'd encourage you to browse through this library. There's actually a lot of very useful programs contained here. Also new to the home page is the addition of templates. Under the New tab, they've included 3 out-of-the-box templates, which are launch points for new programs. So I'll open the portable one just to give you a look at what that looks like. So here's a look at the portable template. I'll just expand my edit window. And you see it comes equipped with view sets, different instructions, a lot of document comments, and so forth. So it just gives you a template to kind of fill in the blanks to create a standard portable routine. Okay, so let's close that and go back to the home page. Another nice feature with the templates is you can create your own. So back to the Home tab. So I actually have a program here called Multi-Part Run, which includes some of my favorite commands at the beginning of the program, like trace fields, comments, variables, and so forth. So that's just sort of like a launch point to start a similar type program over and over without having to retype those commands or copy paste. So what you can do is add your own program to the template section. So just hit the 3 dots. And we simply have to say add template, and we can give it a name. Something like that, and say OK. So now when we go to the New tab, you'll see that that is now added to my template list. Also new in 2020 R1 are some options and settings. We now have the choice of a light or a dark theme. So this is just a cosmetic change, and it requires a restart of PC-DMIS. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. And we also have controls over internet access, so we can disable that if we want. So there's 2 sections, the internet news feed and the internet links. So I'll go ahead and restart PC-DMIS and show you what that looks like. Okay, so we're back in PC-DMIS. So this is my dark theme, and also you can notice on the side here that we have no longer a connection to the internet. So I've disabled that as an administrator. So that's about it for the enhancements to the home page. And that concludes my second part of my 4-part series on what's new in 2020. Stay tuned for my next video, which is on the new constructed 1D width measurement.